Yeah, can get a medium how many?
Yes.
What do you have on the menu for
Chicken, pork chicken, liver, fish, ackee and saltfish, baby and saltfish.
Alright, let me get baked bean and saltfish.
You want everything in there?
Want a large one. Some want three dasheen and sweet potato. 2 sweet
Three
potato.
dasheen
And then 2 sweet potato.
Anything to drink?
No drink. But you can give me a cocoa bread, please.
Okay, any patties?
No, that's it.
Our level 8 is served for tea, please.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, and welcome to another Driving Through Jamaica.
What's up, beautiful people? Yours truly, 876 by birth, as you just heard in the intro a while ago, alright? Yeah, and it's a Sunday morning right now, currently in the community of New Harbour Village 2, which is located in Old Harbour, St. Catherine, Jamaica, alright? Yeah, Sunday morning, and I make a little trek, go up a Juicy Patty, one of my favorite places them for have food. I make a little trek, go up there for get some breakfast, you understand? Well, really and truly, some porridge want get still, you know, you understand? Yeah, some porridge want get Sunday morning, you see me? You know, Sunday morning breakfast in Jamaica normally nice, you know, fried dumpling and callaloo, or, you know, cabbage and saltfish with yam and banana and dumpling and dasheen and, you know the thing go, right? Yeah. So currently I do that, and I don't want nobody come comment and talk about yo if me can't cook at me yard. No, me can't cook at me yard. That's why me I go at the fast food place. Me tell you no say me coulda cook. Me can't cook. You see me? Yeah man, you know the thing go man, you see it? So we just there and say yo, we gonna get the breakfast, so we just decide say yo me go, you know, me couldn't tag along with me. I'm gonna go through the drive-thru. It's a Sunday morning. Hopefully you do have a lot of persons up there. Hopefully people are cook at them yard and don't stay like me, where I eat from be a fast food place, alright? Yeah. So, you know, go through the drive-thru, grab the food, and then we'll come right back, alright? Yeah, people. Beautiful, beautiful weather we have here this morning, you know, people. You see me? Sun not too long rise, and the temperature is immaculate. It's just cool and nice, man. I'm telling the people, cool and nice. Yeah man, it just cool and nice. Some garbage truck work at the cross the road. Big up all of the garbage truck work at them. You see me? Yeah man. Yo, them play an important role. Them not even know. I don't know if they know the real value of them work. Because people, if garbage truck not come for a 1 or 2 week, you know, when you look on the amount of garbage you pile up, you know, trust me. And especially in Jamaica, we take them little man for granted. We don't even call them little man. But them role in a society very important. You see me? You see how like how first world country treat them garbage disposal people, them garbage truck worker them. That's how we should treat them too. Make sure them get good pay and them little thing there. You see me? Yeah man, cause yo, the man them play a vital role in our society. You see it? Yeah man, so big them up. garbage truck worker them, you see me? Right now we even have woman. Some woman I work on the garbage truck. What do you mean they have more? I'm yard and I tell her say yo, me see 4 women I work on the truck only that 4 worker. And it was 4 women. Is it? Yeah, 4 women I work people. So yo, I tell them, I like yo. So big them up. I'm realize what them are trying to do right now, them are add at least 1 female to every crew. But so when the truck come through your place, garbage truck, if it have 3 or 4 worker, 5 worker, a woman in the crew. You see me? I like that. I like that. Big up the woman them too. We jump out panic. You see me? You mean? Cause you think it easy, you know Jamaica thing got them store garbage in a drum and look at thing that it's heavy more while and the woman them are manage. So big up the woman them, you see me? Yeah man, big up to the woman them man. Enough love goes out, you see it? Woman them a do the thing, put them shoulder to the wheel, you see me? Yeah, them muscle to the hustle and a day with it. That's right. Yeah man. So it's set up in my people, you see me? So right now, currently they in the town of Old Harbour. As me say, it's a Sunday, so Sunday morning, so you know it's not that hectic. Yeah, it's not that busy. Well, it shouldn't be. Yeah, it's not that busy. If I should take this left turn, we can end up Maypen, Clarendon side, you know? Yeah. Yeah, mama people, so that is it right now. You see me?
Morning, pick up pull around from the vampire one.
Morning, no, we're not gonna make up right now.
Alright.
Yeah. So you must beg him respectably, you must tell him morning. you must say my beg a bulla or a makeup for buy one. Hey. I have some little change, but I keep my thing this morning, but I don't change. You understand? And people, you know, say me just think about it. I wonder if I left the yard without money. I have my wallet still, but oh my gosh, I wonder if I left my yard without money. But yeah man, Sunday morning, so you know people come out now and try to get them little vegetable, them little seasoning, all them little thing there. Okay, you know, a little more red rice and rooster, you know. Yeah. AKA rice and peas and chicken. Yeah, rice and peas and oxtail, rice and peas and mutton. Whatever you know, eat. You see me? You know Jamaican thing go. When we meet foreigners, you know, like people when I know about Jamaican culture and all them things, and meet them and I tell them say, when I describe all the food, I tell them say, yo, no need for come pull up on Jamaican yard on a Sunday. You see me? It's like a mini Thanksgiving every Sunday. Hey, we have a white virgin and I tell the man that, the man say, what? Because you know Americans big on them Thanksgiving thing, you see me? So I tell the man, I say, yo, it's like a mini Thanksgiving every Sunday. The man say, what? I say, yeah, 2, 3 meat. 2 and 3 different kind of meat. You see me, I cook and mash potato and whole heap of thing. When I tell the man I say, yeah, brother. The man get excited by me just telling him that, you see me? So yeah. You see the people? Me no feel too bad, cause guess what? Whole heap of people out here I try to get this food here too. You see me? Yeah, whole heap of people out there try to get this breakfast here too. See line? That this is the drive-through line. You say it long? Alright. So all who cuss me in the beginning, who no cuss them people here too. And me no feel too bad cause enough of it. Yeah but you see it? Yeah man, I tell you no man. So yeah man, I explain and talk to the man and I tell the man say yo, Jamaica is like a mini Thanksgiving. You see me? Yeah, it's like a mini Thanksgiving on a Sunday when you pull up and thing. Whole heap of food and rain. The man was excited about it, you see it? But we don't know what's a Jamaica thing, especially on a Sunday, you see me? And enough people, them a do up the carrot juice and them a do up whether the sour sap juice. You know, whole heap of thing. Because you know Sunday juice are different than if you make little juice in the week. You see me? Sunday juice and really lemonade. I'll do a lemonade from yo, when they are Jamaica you make lemonade. Nice, you know. And if you remember them nice lemonade that when me attack. and then you put it in the freezer, make it go and chill. Oh God, man. We are talking about it right now. We need to go get some. You see me? Yeah, man, we need to get some, man. You see it? We need to make some. Yeah. But so yeah, little lemonade we make on a Sunday too, you know, but it probably will make for, you know, in the midday. You want when you box up a little lunch and thing, you know, you can make little lemonade on a Sunday, but you know the Sunday juice a carrot and them thing, the beetroot, heavy juice. You see me? Yeah, man, for go with the red rice them, man. You see it? Yeah, man, you know, you have a little veggie on the side, a little, with a little mashed potato, or you know, some people go hard and make all coleslaw too. You see me? Yeah, man, you know a thing, man. You see it? Yeah, man, Jamaican food, man. Yo, one of the best, man. You see me? One of the best. One time I watch a thing and they show something about Lebanese food, and I don't remember enough about the type of food and everything, but like throughout the video, what I get from the video is the same little vibe we have and the same enthusiasm and everything we have about our food and thing. I saw the Lebanese people them create a buzz. I say, so I say any day I'm on the side of the world, I have to try it. Or if I'm in one place where authentic Lebanese food is sold, I say I gotta try it. You see me? If anybody I watch this way actually eat Lebanese food already, you can drop in the comment section, tell me what the best thing for have, and them look at something there. But me I watch a thing. You see me? I think it's Mark Weens for YouTube. You know that big youth there? That big YouTuber, by the way, him say him is a worldwide eater or something like so, or a travel eater. I remember, but him is something another eater. That's why he consider himself as him travel the world and eat food. That's what he travels for, to eat food. You see me? So yeah, and him channel is huge. Him video them get millions of views when him drop them on them thing there. You see me? One Asian youth. So me I watch it. I never to understand the whole thing as me say, you know, and whatever. It's in English, you know, but I never to get it. Because as I say, the first me I see them type of food there or something. So, but the vibe I get from the people when I prepare the food and the whole thing, and yo, trust me, me I say, yo, this does give me a Jamaica vibe. You know, we excited about our food already, and them look a thing there. Yeah, I know Jamaican people stay too, you know. When you pull up at somebody's yard, you know, especially if you have visitor, you know, you have to eat food. So them a give stew peas, them a cook something nice for you, you know. I know Jamaica thing, if you got them yard and them offer your food and you don't really want it. Me attack like, you know, when you go out of the country and you buck up the old people and them offer you some food, you have to eat it, you know. Because if you don't eat it, that disrespect. You see me? As a matter of fact, them did not ask if you have to eat, if you want to food, them I tell you say, yo, we have some food here. We are going to cook some food here for you. You see me? Yeah, man. So, sorry about that. So, yeah. Yeah, people, like, the vibe there, you see me? When they're there, yeah, you know that little vibe there. Why that was say I go and up on my windscreen? No, I'm coming, you know. Oh, I'm gone. You don't know what's bite right now. What do you want? Sorry, people. What do you want? Bees go down in on my AC vent down there. So I'm still down there. I'm good at something there, you know. Probably dead or something, you know. But yeah, I want bees in the fly around the car. And I said, then what if this at the night? And he might sting me on my foot. Oh, God. Can't manage. But yeah, man, people. The culture with the food, you know, say, yo, it's a big thing that. You see me? Yeah, man, the Jamaica food thing is a big thing, man. And as you can see, worldwide, or it take the place by storm. Whole heap of places. And some places where I see food, because like, I always watch YouTube, you know, people. When I'm busy, I create my own videos, them. I watch YouTube videos. You see me? Yeah, man, I consume a whole heap of YouTube. If YouTube did not pay people for watch it, trust me, I would have rat the rich. I watch a whole heap of YouTube. Just like no for I don't want to watch YouTube all day, every day. Is it? So yeah. The food, the culture of food, may I tell you, is a great thing. It's a great thing, people. Great thing. You see it? And some places where I see with food, which part people they are cook Jamaican food. Me talk real authentic Jamaican thing, you know. You get what I say? Yeah, man. See, all the brother in Mexico one place. I don't remember exactly which part of Mexico, but I see me in Mexico I prepare food and you can tell say the food is good. You see me? You can tell. You see me? So yeah, cause the person who go there way that eat, him used to Jamaican food and them like a thing there, is it? Yeah. Him used to Jamaican food, not a Jamaican, but him come from Miami. Ain't no whole heap of Jamaican restaurant there in Miami. Plus him travel to Jamaica already and him eat Jamaican food. Plus him go other places, buck up Jamaicans and eat Jamaican food from them. Cook authentic Jamaican food from him. You see me, and him eat it. So one time I see him in Mexico, and he's not a food vlogger this, you know, him travel vlogger. You see me, but him feature a whole heap of different things. So yes him channel name, big up yes, one of my favorite YouTuber that. So yeah. Him buck up the brother in the restaurant in Mexico. And me I say, this a food I go good. Me I wonder, call me, I watch me, I wonder if the food I go good, you know. Hold on the people. Let me check for the money here because let me check for the money here. Because I don't want to do this line here. Although I say my wallet still supposed to have card for me, you know. Hold on. Alright, I found the money. It's all good. Yeah, man. So when him buck up the brother in Mexico, I say, I wonder if the food is good. Because you know Mexico, be a Spanish taco. What them call it something? A margarita? A margarita, I wonder if a margarita. But we don't know Mexico already. The sitting where they make with tequila sitting. We know what them thing they Mexico known for already. You get what I say? Yeah, man. Mojito. Think of mojito. Yeah, I think I suppose mojito. Because them say Mexico they make the best mojito. That them say. You see me I want next place. I don't remember which part it. But yeah. I know Mexico for that. So me buck up this brother, this man here tell me say, oh, him have a Jamaican spot him go go. So it did interesting me that for go find it. Me that for watch it out and to the fullest and see. But the brother was fully Jamaican and I think his wife was from somewhere from Asia. I think she was somewhere from Asia. I think she's Asian. Me don't remember, but I think them say them originally come from Canada. So him did migrate to Canada, she the same or whatever. And then them that live them life over there. And then them decide say I think them go to Mexico for almost a vacation or something. I know Mexico tropical and I think in Asia, which is far from the Philippines or wherever, they have a tropical vibe too. So you know we are yard people, anywhere we go on the tropical weather there and everything, you know we are gonna love it. So I guess the man go there and the man love the place and man, them just invest. And the restaurant are shot. The food awesome. Like him do the video and him that talk to the chef and everything and people come over to him. Because they know when the food good and everything normally them ask for the chef. Chef come from around the kitchen and come to them and read. People are link the man and come in at the midst of the video and I say, yo, the food was awesome and everything. Like me know yes not pay nobody for do that. I mean, I think the brother do that either. Like, you see me, but looking upon the food and the presentation and everything, could I tell say the food did good. Because I go places already and them talk about jerk. I want to know what them do. Them just put black pepper on it and put it in the oven. And talk about jerk. The food not even have color. Okay, you know, oh God, no disrespect to white people, but you know what I mean by now when we say white people, you see me? But you don't know white people how them things go already. A salt and pepper alone them put on food. You see me? No coloring. They don't know when them browning. Or if you burn some sugar and put the meat in there, make it brown. They may know them style. You see me? Or if you even just put it in the pot and make it sear or make it catch little color. They may know them style. You see me? You know say a white meat. Or raw meat with blood around out time. You don't know that. You don't know say a true be attack, you know. So you know what nobody come talk about yo, me I be disrespectful and them look think me really. I'm a white friend them who don't know me not this, you know. So you see me, please don't take it offensive. I really me not mean to be offensive by saying this. But it's the truth though. Who don't know that? Who don't know that? Say cooking and the food best skill. You understand? Big up to the people and the white people who can cook though, see it? So yeah. The people them keep on coming over to the guy and you know, them a talk to him and them a ask him and them a big him up, sorry. I say, yo, the food nice and everything and really and so homeboy food it really. You see me? Cause when Ace go there, Ace ask him say, yo, is that a real Jamaican restaurant? Like you real Jamaican and everything and he must say, yeah man, me a yardy. You know him a say, you know, cause you know that our stamp. Cause you know when you book people and them say, yo, them a Jamaican and thing, you know we have certain little thing what we look for. They say if you are Jamaican, cause you know you have the one them where them born a foreign but them household are Jamaican, so like them parents are immigrant. So them are like the first generation were born in another country. They were there. No, me attack, right? So You know, so it depends upon the household. You know, Patois might fluent in the house and everything, and everybody dash with them culture. Some people them keep it and they make sure them put it, them instill it in them youths, them we grow and thing. So, you know, we have things that we look for. You know, we all here, we want hear yeah man and not yeah man. Yeah, man, say? All them things there. You see? So, them things that like a stamp of approval we look for. So, him page the guy, because he's an idiot neither, you know. You see me? He's born in Miami, you know, but his parents are Haitian. Them come from Haiti. You see me? So, he know the vibe too. So, you understand? So, just like how him is an American, and him know him a Asian, but him not born a Haiti, so you know, yeah. So he be that one day if I did that with that guy there and thing, but once him realize and thing, because him have Jamaican friends, you know. You see me, I come to Miami come from, so know that go already. So yeah man, the brother, you know, sure we say yeah man, in my yard man for real and everything, and yo, the food did good. The food was great, may I tell you, the food was great. Now I promise you, but if I find the video, I might put a link to that video there down in the description of this, alright? But I now promise you that, because it all depends on how the editing I go and how fast I try to edit and all of that. And by the time when I watch the video, like, me I go really busy in at the time when the video I go post. Me I go super busy. You understand? So yeah. I go super busy. I might do 1 and 2 live stream or something, so I might see exactly what the pre in a them time frame there while the video drop. You see it? So yeah man. I telling you still people. I telling you still like the Jamaican food thing is a vibe. It's a vibe. Remember one time, you know, we there overseas in America in the winter. And we go upstate New York with it there. And a winter, I don't remember which month, but a legit winter. It was snowing, alright? And me I telling you say, yo, we actually run one little barbecue. I know the people in the complex supposed to say, yo, them youth are mad. Them supposed to one day for mad, but at the same time, them supposed to feel good. Because the food, they tell us, say, yo, did a kick up the scent. Imagine them a smell them scent there in the winter time. They might be like, yo, that's what I tell you, Jamaica. Being Jamaican is a vibe, you know. So what did happen? The outside of the house, round at the back, did have like a little area where could have basically go out upon, like a back patio or something. It did kind of have that. So and it covered and everything. So we would be able to have the grill right there, so and all of that. You understand? So yeah man, so what go on now is we stay so boom bang and get up the food and everything, and then you know we have to jerk some chicken, so that did out a door I do it thing. You see me? And we don't have to roast nothing, we have to roast planting or whatever still, you see it? So that man out there. So that time we check the jerk chicken, you know, put on your 100 piece of clothes and all of this, and out there we go there, we check it and I say yo, you see me? I say, yo, the food, you see me? Yo, that was just a vibe. And it did nice, because it was a gathering and thing, and so it was a gathering where it actually overdue. Never get to happen until the winter time, and you know, everybody did their one spot and thing, so we decide say, yo, we're gonna just link up and we just make it happen. You see me? Because we say, yo, January, we go wait till summer again, you know, some little thing might go on again, and we might not get for raise, so everybody did around, so we just program and we just be with it. You see me, Branko, big up yourself. You see me, because yeah man, the great Branko with the link, you see me, but Branko live in New York no more. Branko run left the cold. Yeah man, Branko did something else, but Branko did a different state, man. You see me? Yeah man, Branko did a different state right now, we are telling you, you see it? So yeah man, we are telling the people, it's Jamaica, being Jamaican is a vibe. You see me, the food and everything is just a vibe. It's just a vibe. And then that's why we can know when people are real Jamaican too, you know, because all Jamaicans are proud to be Jamaicans. You see me? Yeah, all Jamaican them proud. No matter what, anywhere them go, them want people to know say them are Jamaican. Anywhere them go. No matter how them they want place and you hear the news out of Jamaica and you hear the crime rate and you hear this and that, them not care. Them make you know, yo, I'm Jamaican. And the worst thing you can do to a Jamaican is tell them so they have something else, you know, like try to figure out where they're from. You see me? Them not like that, you know, cause like remember one time I want me that go somewhere me did there, and like a lady was like, she asked me if I'm African. And of course I'm African, because I'm from African descent. So of course I'm African and I love Africa. You see me? But I was like, no, I'm from Jamaica. You see me? And she was like, oh, Jamaica. You see me? So yeah. So me I tell her, like, you get me? Yeah, it's like Jamaicans always proud to make you know, hey, one thing to you, Jamaica no want you call them not a Caribbean country, name, you know. No, Jamaica no want you call them not a Caribbean something there, yo. Hey, you crazy? Jamaican, don't do that. Jamaican no like that something there. When you call them no other real, like you probably tell them, oh, where you from? St. Lucia? Where you from? But big up the Caribbean country them still now. I'm pretty sure you're proud of who culture and where you're from too, because I watch some YouTuber from St. Vincent and them people they're proud. St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Yeah, man, them everywhere them go them tell you I'm Vincy. Yeah, me, I'm Vincy. You see what I say? Yeah. Them proud. So big up the rest of big up the whole of the Caribbean, you see it? Yeah, man, and me have some viewers from Antigua, Belize, Cayman. I have some Caribbean viewers, St. Martin. So big up for yourself, alright? Yeah, man, big up whole Caribbean, Trinidad, St. Pete, Bahamas, Barbados. Yo, big up. That's one of my things too. I want to tour the Caribbean here, people. Nah, like, I want to go camp out of one Caribbean country for all 2-3 months. I want to go live there. You see me? Yeah, me there search for some people who want to accommodate me. You see me? And them here who can wake up and go pop to Cersei and drink some Cersei tea like me live there morning time. And that me why, you see me? Yeah, me have look for that. Me have look for that. So if you come from Caribbean island and you want to accommodate me, link up, man. Me email there. If you can't find the email on the channel, if you don't know how to find it, comment, me will see it. And we take it from there, you see me? But yeah, man, I want to go camp out. There's a place called San Andreas. It's close to Colombia. It's close to Colombia and close to, I think, Nicaragua. From Nicaragua, I don't think of Panama. But San Andreas is a place where I really want to go, people. Really want to go. The people in San Andreas, them talk patois like we Jamaican. You go over there, straight patois. Belize, same thing, straight patois. The people them talk. You understand? Them place that I want to go, people. I want to go. At first, I used to think Belize talk Spanish, you know, because the name just sounds Spanish, Belize. And then through there, you see me, close to like Central America like that, you know, kind of. Me assume, say, oh, these people are Spanish. But patois, Raba and patois, the people them chat. You go over there, think of Jamaica, they matter about Gully and Gaza and all sort of thing over there. They know everything Jamaican. You see me? But yeah, man, I want to go over them place, the people. I not tell them like Belize and something there. San Andreas. Out of them little places, like, I'm not going to really call it Caribbean because I say San Andreas there down on South America side. And Belize, they're more Central America. But them places, I want to go more than everything, and them want to go St. Vincent. You see me? Yeah, man, I want to go St. Vincent. And of course, I want to see Antigua. And people no something there still. But to me, I feel like Antigua have the prettiest beach them in the Caribbean. And you know Jamaica pretty already. Especially on the East Coast. You know that. No clown thing. But you know that. So Jamaica pretty, right? And I know that. Because remember me I drive around the place and I see them. So yeah. I know say Jamaica pretty. But you see Antigua beaches, people just Google it. When the video done, go look on YouTube on the beach of Antigua. Yo, I don't know. Sometimes I have to wonder if it Photoshop or them enhance the video them or something. Water clean. Sun white. You see me? Yeah, man. It is nice over there. Some would have loved to go visit a few beaches over Antigua. You see me? Yeah, man. I want to know Bermuda is a nice place again. You see it? What? Big up Bermudan viewers them. You see me? Yeah, man. Big up Bermudan viewers. People, the plan is for go to them place, you know. Yeah, man. The plan is for go to them place, yeah. And actually, you know, visit them and spend some time over there and get some content over there and think too. That's the plan, you know, but in all due time, you know, everything is a process, you see it? So it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so when it's happening you are here to see it. Alright? Yeah man. Just make sure so you know the thing man, isn't it? Yeah. So I almost reach for order my food right so after the car yeah me. And the speaker is very loud. I don't know if you not hear it now, but when I pull up to it, you're not going to hear it. It's loud. I don't know why them turn on the speaker so. It's loud, man, but it is what it is still. It is what it is still. So, yeah. So, I get some breakfast for me and Kimmy. I should ask her if she want just porridge alone or she want food. She probably want food, you know. She gonna want food. I'm gonna call her. I'm gonna call her and see. When I get her people, I just order something I think say should I like. If I get her, you see me? And it look like me I get her and at my time you know, so I just try order something I think say should I like still. It's right, yeah.
Thanks for making the juice take a short moment. Take order, please.
Yeah, good morning.
Morning.
what kind of porridge you have, please?
Peanut and amini. Morning, darling.
Oh, peanut and amini. Oh. Alright, for breakfast, what you have on the menu?
Give me a minute, sir.
Okay. Hello? Yeah, me can both for order, but just a give her a minute. Them only have peanut and amini porridge, so you know, so you're not getting a porridge, right? By the amini? Alright, I'll buy peanut amini, but you say you don't want a food? You don't want a food? Alright, you want one cocoa bread with the amini porridge? Alright then.
Yes, sir. Sorry about that. Wait for me now, please.
Yeah, can get a medium amini?
Yes.
What do you have on the menu for
Chicken, pork chicken, liver, fish, ackee and saltfish, baked bean and saltfish.
Alright, let me get baked bean and saltfish.
You want everything in there?
Want a large one. Some want three dasheen and sweet potato. 2 sweet
Three
potato.
dasheen
And then 2 sweet potato.
anything to drink?
No drink. But you can give me a cocoa bread, please.
Okay, any patties?
No, that's it.
Our level 8 is sir, proceed please.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright, Kim. I soon come back. I'm gonna pay and get you now, see? Alright. Alright, people, so yeah, I just order. I'm pretty sure I'm not supposed to hear. Pretty sure I'm not supposed to hear. Them say 1180. So I got PR now. One people, so I do a video talk about the staff who work at Juicy Patty, and I think it was a night drive. Me did I do a talk about fast food thing in Jamaica. Hold on. Morning. And me that say the staff them. Hold on, peeps. Alright, thanks. Yeah, people, so me that talk about that. You know, I mean I say the staff who work at Juicy Patty, them are like one of the best staff them when it comes to customer service and even how them deal with the food thing, the cleanliness and all of that. Yeah, I don't want to go too much back in it because I think in the video I kind of did really that discuss or something. So go check out the nighttime drive. I don't do a lot of nighttime drive, so you should find it real easy. It's not gonna be hard for you to find. I was driving from here, Old Harbour to Spanish Town, so yeah, just go check it out and you will find it. See? But big up the staff them from here, so like I tell you, them are some of them are the best. Me that put it. Out of all of the fast food places in Jamaica, Juicy Patty staff, them customer service wise and the whole cleanliness and all of that, them people are not playing. And big up whoever train them. Yeah. Big up the trainer them, but train them. Yeah, I like that. Them trainer there, if you know 100% affiliated with Juicy Patty, if it's like an agency or whatever, we need to extend on the services to the other fast food place them. You see me? Yeah, we need to do it. I make them randomly come in a Juicy Patty, come see how the people them work and operate, and them can, if them not believe say no work at them that good. And if you not affiliated with them, like if are internal trainers, you still can extend on the services to them. You know? Yeah. Still can extend on the services to them, so it's good. See them all have something on them stick. I'm just all I see to on them window say how was your customer service. They must say you can email weekhere@juicypatties.com. I might do it, and there's also a phone number 188 like 1-888-429-5437. Yeah, I just call it out for my reference, you know, so I can always go back to that video to find the info. I need to link them on idea them and tell them, man, them really, yeah, them really I do them things, people. I not lie to you. All of them I go. Whether I'm there in a Portmore, anywhere where I'm there. You see me? Yeah, anywhere where I'm there. And I'm not saying them perfect, but you see me? Them are the closest to perfection. You see me? And that one I don't say I'm a favorite one. There's another one gonna open. There's one in Portmore and another one going to open closer to me. I see when them open all them things set up. You see me? But yeah, man, them really are good. So Juicy Patty big up on yourself. This is no paid advertisement or nothing, people. You see me? But Juicy, if you see this and want to link me, do that. Don't do the maths on my platform. I don't know.
Sir, morning. No sweet potato, one yam?
Can I yam? You have white yam?
Yellow yam.
Give me 2 fried dumplings instead.
You said you 2 fried dumplings. Have your son?
Yeah.
Your son is here? Alright, darling.
Thanks, yeah. So them not no sweet potato. So them give me fried dumpling. So yeah, man, me I say Juicy, if you see this and want link me, just do it. I have a platform, I have a camera, we can make it happen. You see me? Yeah. So yeah, people, I almost get through. I just want to say big up all the people who are there right now. I watch CMA from the beginning of the video to now. If you watch from the premiere, you know I have a big enough CMA as me I do all the time. Premiere gang, big up on yourself. You see me? A simple thing, you know, just make sure you subscribe to the channel and you click the notification bell. So whenever I drop the video, it goes up ping on your phone and you see it. And you say yourself, you don't know already. Because I don't want to do it enough for that channel. So just do the right thing. See it? Yeah, man. Remember them not charge enough to do that something, you know. You see me? Yeah. They not charge you, man, so they can do it. It's free. This is one I think them when they say free for true. free for click notification bell and the free for subscribe, you see me? Yeah, and I like when politicians tell you say free, but you know it come from somewhere else. So yeah man, let's big up on yourself man, all of the viewers, long time viewers, new people, them just find the channel and a message and a comment and a tell me say yo, them just buck up the channel and read and them excited and all of that. Big up for yourself there, you see me? Yeah man, we're there man, 876 by birth. I would showcase what go on in Jamaica. From time to time I drop like personal vlogs as well and thing. You see me? So yeah man, just bless up man, just good vibes over here. So man, we just show no what go on naturally. You see what I say? Yeah man, so just feel free for commenting in the comment section and all these things and share the video them with your family, them drop it down a little WhatsApp group. You see me, we wanna have one if a WhatsApp group with a little family them, you know. More time when I say, why Jimmy I post this? And did Jimmy no need to post this in the group? You know everybody ever post foolishness sometimes. So make this be your foolishness where you post. Drop it in a WhatsApp group, you see me? Yeah man, just do the maths man. Share it with them man and say watch a boy and just drive around Jamaica and chat off him out. You can chat, you see. And all them things there, you see me? Yeah. I know that person probably not satisfied with them food. I'm not sure. This is mine? Okay.
Thanks and enjoy.
Alright.
Have a nice day.
Yeah man, thanks very much.
You're welcome.
Alright, so the person I'm gonna know what I'm telling you. What's your going now? Calm down lady, calm down yourself. Lady, your crosses, you know. Yeah man, crosses man. Cause she drive off now and nothing no change. I don't see them gear nothing, I don't see them do nothing. So what she did there how long ago? You can't take them people you know we love big probably a Sunday morning you know you come with your contention. So man, hey, no for tappy man, no for tappy man. I go drive around the other way ya people. Yeah, I drive the other way ya. Yeah man, some wanna come and do a little contention. Nobody can please you know. No for tappy and tap go on some man. Some wanna miserable like. You see all her face and sit. Because she's there all long and I mean when the other lady come give me the food through the cashier window. Me hear she say something, but I never too try to find out. You see me? But some wanna too miserable man, like wanna for tappy man, like tappy. The early morning you know. Early morning you come with your miserable thing and people have to push positive energy. You see me? Energy attract. So whatever you put out, that's what you get. You understand? Yeah. You see me? You have to do them thing there man. You have to come try and push out a little bad vibe from people. In the early morning people them shift not too long start you want to have a bad shift. Move and go. With a little dirty energy. You understand with people? You understand? Yeah. Good vibes we are push. So as me that say big up to the people them over here when you and all of them thing there. You see me? Yeah man, big up on yourself man. I'm a long time viewers them bless up for yourself as well. You don't know the thing go, you know the vibe will push over yourself. Drop on the comment in the comment section as me saying to people. It's always a vibe over here. You know? Always a vibe over here, you see it? Yeah. Always a little vibe, you know? So this is a little shortcut I take when I come from Spanish Town in. And you know I drive that way to the old road. Take that little shortcut here. For kind of bypass the traffic out of the town. Because the traffic entering into the town for traffic is wicked, you know. You see me? Yeah, wicked man. Wicked piece of traffic move. So that little shortcut here really help out a lot. You understand? Yeah. Really help a lot. And to do the same thing, you gotta take it right just so. You gotta take that turn here and go up because the road are one way. road them just come through a one way. So in order to do the same thing, for cut out a little piece of traffic there, so if you go Spanish Town and you take the whole road, you have to turn right there, so is it? Yeah man. Oh, yeah, she give me. I wonder if we get the cocoa bread in people, but yeah, I got it. As you can see, this is one train line. So right to my left, people, is a train station over there. And it carries schoolers a weekday time. Yeah man, it bring the schoolers them a weekday time. So them take it and they carry them in a Spanish Town, is it? Yeah. I think me did tell you this, we have a next video with me that explain it to and something too. But me I gonna do that video then, me I gonna actually ride on the train. So them have two destinations. One go Linstead and one come at Old Harbour. So me I do it. I think at Donald, I don't remember if at Donald, but somebody comment and I say yo them I look forward to the video. I'm pretty sure other persons want to see it as well. So it's coming shortly, alright? Yeah man, we are gonna do it and thing and show you what I'm going. We're gonna ride the train. And you know, show the experience of it in Jamaica. Yeah. So yeah man people. So all the people them want see that, just look out for it soon. Alright? Look out for it soon. So yeah my people, Sunday morning. Big up to the people who are there up on the ground in Jamaica. You know, all the general them will roll all the Sunday morning ball game. You see me? Yeah, I remember them days there. Right now me out of shape. I remember them days when ball game was life, you know man. Yeah man, ball game was life, you know man. Remember them days there. Sunday morning and then Sunday evening. Because we play Saturday morning to we play Saturday evening to holiday in the morning, them man in the evening, them back, you see me? Yeah man, you know a thing man. So big up the general them where roll the leather, you know? Yeah, manners and respect. You see me? Yeah. Manners and respect. Bless up bossy, what go on? No, man, that's just shoot kinda in and out and then you know. Yeah, but yeah man, somebody mash it up for me. Yeah, but we there man, everything the same way man. Yeah, cool. Yeah people that I cut a man. No vehicle you know man. One day I passing on the road, we out the road and I still like him that hail me, you know, and me I said no man probably I but you know it look like a me because see he must stop me. But this is a landscaper. So he must say Ray, but so yeah, me there here enough, but me not there here so enough. If you know, you see me? Yeah man. We there here enough, but we not there enough, alright? So I'm gonna lick up little bit of piece of inside. So basically I try to get that place where I'm there up and running for Airbnb. Mention that in the other videos as well. See? So a lot of times I'm here, but a lot of times I'm also not here. You see me? So the place, the yard did want to cut on one bag of things. So that him I say him did see last week, but then you understand? But so you know, me not really there more time. So when him a pass him probably me not go there. So at that, I really that. But yeah, me I try to get it up and running for Airbnb people. When that drop and everything, don't worry about it, we're not gonna see it. You see me? As you can see, gated community and all of that. Comfortable space, you see me? Yeah man, wake up to the sounds of birds chirping and just believe me man. Nightingale them round and a ram for whistle and sing man, you see it? Yeah, it's nice and it's not annoying, it's subtle, so it's nice, you see me? From there break out you just hear them and them thing there, you see it? And in the morning the air quality is so good. It's so good. You don't have no whole heap of pollution, you don't have no whole heap of pollen. Nothing. You can actually go out the door and just take in the air and, you know, inhale, take a deep breath and all of that. So nice and calm. At night time, you know, early morning, it's so cool and nice. I gotta admit though, like it gets hot during the day, but it's not humid. It's hot, but it's not humid. So if you know feel for lock up and burn the AC, if you want a natural air, once you open up the place, them breeze a blow through and it's nice. So, you know, you have a little fan and go nice. Me I tell you people, no Jamaica nice already. You see me, the vibe, the ambience, the atmosphere, everything in Jamaica is nice. So I wanna get it right. Yeah, man. So about to close off the video right I say, you see me, because I don't know me now carrying the straight home already, right? Yeah, man. Well, left that for the guests them who book the Airbnb. They don't know which part of the place there. But you don't know the community already. So yeah, I saw it set up. Thank you all for chatting along on this journey with me. You see me? Yeah, man. Don't know. Bless upon yourself for 876 by birth as usual, you know, my people. Alright? If we go straight round, I'm showing you something real quick, which I'm showing you multiple times. But alright, I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to show you again. Jeez, give me a wait for the food, you know. I don't know why I ever broke with nobody now. But this road takes you to another gated community. It's not a part of this one, it's a total different development. Different people own it. They sitting, alright? Yeah, to make you understand clearly. But it's a gated community. If you look on the right side, you can see the perimeter wall. Them houses are new people, brand new. They're not built not even 1 year yet. I don't know if them sell off or nothing. I don't have the full information. Oh my gosh, you know, I said this in the last video. I never did check it out yet or something. But I don't have the full information. But there are persons watching who have info on this. Them can comment. If them want, them will comment. And make you know in the comment section what go on feet. You see me? But yeah, man, I now can go in or nothing, but I'm just show you. It's another gated community, brand new house. Them house of people, they don't reach 1 year old yet. See? And yeah, it did it. So it's a gated community within a gated community. It's sight. Yeah, man, you know, if I could go in, I would have my buzz, I'm go in or chat to the security and him let me in. So yeah, this day at the round here. Alright, nice place. You know, hot and cold water, whole works. That thing, there are 2-bedroom houses, you see it? Yeah, and all of that. Some of them are 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, just like probably over my side to one thing, isn't it? So yeah, brand new places, them place of people, brand new. They reach 1 year yet. You understand? Yeah, them house ain't built 1 year yet. Spanking new. I think them sold for like probably I think 17 or 18 million dollars first set themselves for. So they were pretty reasonable, and this development was like it was made public a couple of years now, so it kind of pretty reasonable. You know, the host them now at Jamaica 20, if you have a 22 million or 23 million to start, nobody look, you know what they say there. But if you live overseas, you can get one in place, and this is just a couple $100,000 in a phone of money, whether they are England, Canada, any first world country you want there, America, whatever. You know how that go. See? You can get it. And you know, so when you live at them places, you can't get a house, which part you would really want it for them money there. But they even want to talk about New York. Because you have to pay 2 near 3 times the amount there, and a whole house is still like a buy. These are brand new houses, gated community, all of them little something there. You see me? I want to know a couple $100,000 in a phone dollars, yes. But if you can do the maths and get it, whether you want to get the loan or you want to get it financed from somewhere over there, whatever, you want to pay about the mortgage over there, that's the best thing to do. You see me? Yo, a gem me a drop pound right now, I tell you, people that house are nice. And the one beside that, it's so beautiful. You see me? The landscaping, everything is so nice. You see it? But yeah, man, I tell you, say, yo, a gem me a drop pound, people. Try out for that. It can't happen. It can't work. There are persons who are doing it. You won't be the first, you're not going to be the last. There are persons who can do it and all of them. So they comment in the comment section. Me I don't want expert or nothing, but me can direct you certain places where you can do it. Me I tell you it can maths up, it can do people. You see me? I tell people about it, them do the maths, all of that. See me, I chat too much, you know, me need to end the video because I not carry no home. And no, me not dead nowhere near right as I need, but I just don't want to go now, no hint at which part. You want to book the place, you know, see? Bless upon yourself, 876 by birthday, my people. And guess what? Liquor more red rice, you know, red rice and rooster, you see me? Yeah, red rice and chicken, bad rice and peas and chicken. So bless upon yourself, people. Liquor more, see? 876 by birthday. I'm out. But God, liquor more, I eat my breakfast.